Hi students, today we are going to see Ncert Grade 10 Mathematics 2023-24 syllabus. We have number systems, algebra, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, mensuration, statistics and probability. In number system we have 6 marks, algebra 20 marks, coordinate geometry 6 marks, geometry 15 marks, trigonometry 12 marks, mensuration 10 marks, statistics and probability 11 marks. Totally we have 80 marks. First chapter, number system. In number system, first one, real number. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Statement after reviewing work done earlier in after illustrating and motivating through examples. Proof for irrationality of root 2, root 3 and root 5. Unit 2, algebra, polynomials, zeros of a polynomial, relationship between zeros and coefficients of quadratic polynomial. Number 2, pair of linear equation in two variables, pair of linear equation in two variables and graphical method of linear, their solutions consistently in inconsistency. Next one, algebraic conditions for number of solutions of a pair of linear equations in two variables algebraically by substitution, by elimination. Then simple situational problems. Some portions are deleted in this chapters. Then next one, quadratic equations. In quadratic equations, standard form of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Solution of quadratic equations by factorizations and by using quadratic formula. Then relationship between discriminant and nature of roots. Then situational problems based on quadratic equations related to day-to-day activities to be incorporated. Next one, arithmetic progressions. Motivations for studying arithmetic progression and derivation of the nth term and the sum of the first n terms of AP and their applications in solving day life problems. Then unit 3, coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, concept of coordinate geometry, graph of linear equations, distance formula and sections formula. Then unit 4, geometry. First one, triangles. In triangles, definitions, examples, counter examples of similar triangles. Then first one, we have only one proof of a theorem. First one is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Then we have to motivate some theorems. The first one is, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, the line is parallel to the third sides. If next one, if in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, their corresponding sides are proportional and the triangles are similar. Then next one, if the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, their corresponding angles are equal and the two triangles are similar. Then if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, the two triangles are similar. Then next chapter is circles. In circles, tangent to a circle at and point of contact. Then we have proof for the theorem, following theorems. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. The length of the tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. In trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry. Trigonometry ratio of an acute angle of a right angle triangle, proof of their existence. Then motivate the ratios whichever are defined at 0 degree and 90 degree. Values of the trigonometry ratios of 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree, relationships between the ratios. Then trigonometric identities. proof and applications of the identity. Sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Only simple identities given. Then third, height and distances, angle of elevation, angle of depressions. Simple problems on height and distances. Problems should not involve more than two right angles. Angles of elevation or depressions should be only 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Unit 6, mensuration. In mensuration we have two chapters. Area related to circles, area of sectors and segment of a circle. Problem based on a areas and perimeter or circumference of the above said plane figures. In calculating area of segment of circles, problems should be restricted to central angles 60 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree. Then second one, surface areas and volumes. Surface area and volumes of combination of any two of the following: cubes, cuboids, sphere, hemisphere and right circles, cylinders and cones. Then unit 7, statistics and probabilities. First one, statistics. Mean, median and mode of group data. This is binomial situation to be avoided. Then probability. In probability we have classical definition of probability: simple problems on finding the probability of an event.